we got him, guys. Doe was right behind me, and the guy's property line is like right there. So I waited for it. It came out in front of me, probably like 80 yards out. Popped it, like it was walking with its butt facing my way. So it was walking that way, and it looked at something to the left. So it turned like this, and I couldn't find it in the scope until it turned. And I freaking smoked it, dude. It's laying right there. It's a doe, I'm pretty sure. It looked exactly like a doe. I'm satisfied with a doe, so I'm pretty sure we got it, because I saw it fall. But I'm shaking, dog. It hasn't been that long. Like maybe 30 minutes I've been on the stand, maybe a little bit more. That's because I was hearing something like crunch on the snow. I was like, is this dude behind me like freaking trying to get in his stand or something? And all of a sudden I look behind me, and there's all these like little pine trees, and I just see something move, and it's the doe's head going down looking for food. And I'm like, what the hell? So I just waited for it. I opened up this window quick, and I'm looking at it, I'm like, there's no way I'm getting a shot right there. And if I do get a shot, it's probably running on his property. So I waited for it to come over, and like I said, dude, that was a close one. I thought I was going to get away. You know, I'm a sharpshooter, so. Enough jibber jabbering. Let's go check out, see if we got the kill. Alrighty, folks, I just confirmed. Doe down. Let's go check it out. Here's my stand. It's the same stand that I shot my spike out of last year. It's a box stand. The deer that I shot came from right behind here in these little pines. Was sniffing around like, who the hell is walking around by my stand? Sure enough, I look backwards. All I see is a little head by the trees. And so I waited it. It came out this way. Right out to here where I could clearly see it from my blind. It kind of was walking away from me. So it wasn't the perfect shot, but something to the left kind of made it look that way. And so I decided to take a shot. I ended up hitting it like right in the back, out through the chest. Perfect shot. Dropped instantly. Was making some noises, not gonna lie. And it's a confirmed kill. Got her. Let's go check her out. Alrighty, there's my deer of 2019. Some meat. Here's my gun I was using. It's a rifle. I shot the deer right here. And it went out this way. So I didn't really care this year if I got a doe or a buck. Obviously, people love when people shoot bucks and whatnot, but for me, no matter what antlers it's got, it's gonna have meat on it. So that's the only thing you really end up like benefiting from, besides for clout if you get a buck. So this ain't a bad doe by any means. I'm proud I got this deer, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching. I guess it's time to go grab the UTV and come get this sucker. So. I'm gonna go ahead and probably drag her over by my stand so I know where she's at. And then go grab the UTV and get her all situated on that.